Many ordinary people genuinely believed Nazi would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. However, some Germans organized active resistance to Nazism, suffering police repression and even death. But most Germans were passive onlookers and apathetic witnesses as they were too scared to act, to defer, and to protest. But for the Jews, life was altogether different. Charlotte Burdick, an author, in her book The Third Reich of Dreams, wrote that Jews themselves began believing in the Nazi stereotypes about them. The stereotypical image published in the Nazi press haunted the Jews and they trembled even in their dreams. They died many deaths before they reached the gas chamber. So their condition was totally very critical. Dear students, do you know what is meant by Holocaust? Let me tell you. Some of the horrible practices followed by Nazis had trickled out of Germany during the war, but its full extent was known only when the war ended. The atrocities and the sufferings that Jews had experienced during the Nazi killing operations are called the Holocaust. The indomitable spirit to bear witness and to preserve documents can be seen in many ghetto and camp inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. In contrast, the Nazi leadership described patrol to its followers to destroy all incarnating evidences when they started losing the war. These memories by the victims are a tribute to those who resisted the precautions, a reminder to those who collaborated, and a warning to those who watched in silence. Dear students, now let's see what was the condition of women and mothers in Nazi society. In Nazi Germany, young people and even children were repeatedly told that women were radically different from men. According to the Nazi ideology, the fight for equal rights for men and women was quite wrong, and it would destroy the society. While boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and hardworking, girls were told to become good mothers and bring up pure-blooded Aryan children. Women had to maintain the purity of the race, look after the home, and teach their children about Nazi ideology. Those mothers who produced racially desirable children were awarded, given favored at treatment in hospital and shops, theaters, and even in the railways. Honors of the Bronze was given for cross for 4 children, a silver for 6, and a gold for 8 or more was given to eligible women. Women who maintained contact with Jews, Poles, or Russians were punished or imprisoned. What was art of propaganda? The Nazi regime used language and media effectively to describe their activities. They never used the words kill or murder in their official communications, but used euphemisms. Mass killings were called special treatment, final solution for the Jews, selection and the disinfection. Evacuation means deporting people to the gas chambers for killing them. The gas chambers were called disinfection areas. It means they used language with utmost care, which did not reveal the words what they wanted to tell.